Good Monday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast for this February 23rd after a brutal week of winter weather. Much quieter this week. That sounds good. It's still going to be cold. We're going to see these kind of ebbs and tides of a little bit of a warm up, then a cool down, and then a warm up as we get into the final weekend of February. And March, this is the final week of February. We get into March by this coming weekend, and it looks like temperatures will moderate as we get closer to that time, thankfully so. Now, we still have a very cold start this morning. Looking live, exit 22, I-65, Scottsville Road, from the Sleep-In Weather Cam, courtesy of AAA Systems Network. It's still lots of snow on the ground, some icy spots in a lot of areas this morning, so be careful. We've had a refreezing overnight, and actually some colder temperatures are starting to move in now. We're at 24 as of 4:30 this morning here in Bowling Green. It's 25 in Nashville, but notice west and northwest of us, 14 in Evansville. It is only 9 right now in Mount Vernon, Illinois. That's colder air that's beginning to push in this morning. Here's a look at Kentucky mesonet sites. You can see warmer mid to upper 20s out to the east. Albany at 26, Burkesville at 25. But as you head west, a little bit chillier, 22 in Bowling Green, and then it's only 15 right now in Calhoun and Madisonville. That colder air is pushing southeast and moving through the area this morning. Those gusty west-northwesterly winds even providing a bit of wind chill this morning in the single digits near zero, especially in some of these locations off to the north of us where we're seeing an 18-mile-per-hour wind, a 20-mile-per-hour wind there in Greenville, Calhoun, Hopkinsville, a 23-mile-per-hour wind. The winds are at 17 miles per hour now in Bowling Green. So that's going to make it feel like it's pretty close to zero this morning. So as you're heading out, you need to dress in layers and be careful. And after all the heavy rain following the heavy snow, there's still some flooding issues in a couple of places along the Green River, the Barren River. But as you see this morning on Doppler Max HD, there's a couple of little areas of light snow flurry activity. That's the upper level disturbance, a rather weak one, passing through. The real snow flurry activities up here along I-64 around Lexington and along the interstate there as you head off to the east. Nothing really happening down here in the Bowling Green area. Wouldn't be surprised to see a flurry or two, but not that big of a deal. Here's a look at current temperatures now. In the 20s, 24 and falling. We've actually established our high temperature for the day at 26. Temperatures will kind of hold steady and fall at various times throughout the day, especially as we get on into this evening. As you see up north of us, single digits now, 8 in St. Louis as that colder air comes in. Average high 52 this week. We're not even going to be close. Temperatures will be in the mid-20s to mid to upper 30s, and then back into the mid to upper 20s for Thursday and Friday. Average lows, at least we're not talking negative numbers here, but we are looking at a low of 12 tonight and only 9 single digits for Thursday night as we get another reinforced shot of colder air. Future Max Predictor, again, showing us quieter weather. From times, or at times, there may be clouds mixed with sunshine and maybe a passing flurry. There you see Wednesday morning, there could be some flurries off to the north of us, but otherwise it's going to be a much quieter week and then warming up as we close out the final few days of February and start the couple of first days of March this coming weekend. So that's certainly some good news to kind of hang your hat on for a while. No major storms coming in, no major winter weather, no big rains, nothing like that at all this week in our forecast. Whew, that's good news. All right, your 7-day forecast now posted to WBKO.com. I'll have updates at 5:30 on AM Kentucky, streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com, and of course, Polar Report nonstop as we still have lots of school closings this morning. Thank you for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.